Looking for the perfect tool to streamline your electronics testing and diagnostics? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best smart tweezers that combine precision, portability, and smart features for pros and hobbyists alike. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Aneng GN702 Smart Tweezer. The Aneng GN702 Smart Tweezer is a compact and intelligent tool designed for precise electronic component measurement. As a mini digital LCR tweezer bridge, it offers exceptional performance in a sleek and portable form. Powered by a lithium polymer battery, it boasts an extended working and standby time, making it ideal for long-term use without frequent recharging. At the heart of its design is a crisp OLED display screen, providing a clear and easy-to-read interface for users. The GN702 intelligently recognizes resistors, capacitors, and inductors, delivering precise measurements across a wide range of values. Its ultra-wide measurement range and high accuracy ensure reliability in various testing scenarios, from basic checks to more advanced diagnostics. The ergonomic design includes a flexible tweezer arm paired with detachable, gold-plated measuring tips. This not only enhances measurement stability but also allows for easy replacement and adaptation to different tasks. Whether you're dealing with surface-mounted devices or other types of electronic components, the GN702 adapts smoothly to a variety of LCR parameter measurements. Sleek in appearance and lightweight in build, the Aneng GN702 is easy to carry and use, making it an ideal choice for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Number 4 is the Easyover MS8910 Smart Tweezer. The Easyover MS8910 Smart Tweezer is a compact and efficient tool designed for quick and precise testing of SMD, surface mount device, components. Equipped with multiple testing functions, this smart tweezer supports resistance measurement, capacitance measurement, diode checks, and continuity testing. It features a convenient one-button F function selector, streamlining the process of switching between modes. With its full automatic measurement capability, the MS8910 can auto-scan components for resistance, capacitance, and diodes, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. The continuity check function is enhanced with an audible buzzer that activates when resistance is less than 30, providing instant feedback. Safety is a priority in the design of this tester. It complies with IEC 10001 standards and meets the requirements of the European Union for safe and reliable operation. The tester's outer shell is made from a durable thermoplastic elastomer, while the gold-plated testing pins ensure long-lasting performance by minimizing contact resistance and preventing rust. Compact and battery-operated, the MS8910 is a truly portable tool, suitable for on-the-go use in various environments. It features a 1.6-inch LCD screen with a 3000-count display and data hold function, ensuring clear and accurate readings. Powered by a single 3V-CR2032 button battery, not included, it also includes low battery indication and auto power off after 10 minutes of inactivity, helping conserve battery life. Designed for a wide range of applications, the Easyover MS8910 is an excellent choice for electronic quality inspection, maintenance, and research work. Coming in at number 3 is the Fnirsi LCR-ST1 Smart Tweezer. The Fnirsi LCR-ST1 Smart Tweezer is a compact and versatile tool designed for precision electronic measurements, ideal for hobbyists, engineers, and technicians working with surface mount components. Equipped with a wide measurement range, it supports capacitance from 1 pF to 22 mF, inductance from 1H to 10H, and resistance between 10M and 10M. It also features a diode test with a typical forward voltage of 0.7 V. The device supports frequency testing at 100 Hz, 1 kHz, and 10 kHz, and can conduct level tests at 0.3 V and 0.6 V RMS. Advanced parameter readings include ESR, D value, Q value, Z value, and X value, offering deeper insights into component characteristics. Results are displayed on a 1.14-inch color screen, providing clear and accessible data in real time. The LCR-ST1 is powered by a 250 mAh lithium battery and charged via a modern Type-C interface. It offers several convenience features including auto recognition measurement, data hold, auto shutdown, and a replaceable tweezer head. Users can also connect the device to a PC to view and export history records, making data management simple and efficient. Lightweight at just 41 grams, the Fnirsi LCR-ST1 Smart Tweezer is both portable and user-friendly, making it an excellent tool for quick diagnostics and precise component analysis in any electronics workspace. Number 2 is the Aneng GN701 Smart Tweezer. The Aneng GN701 Smart Tweezer is a versatile handheld tool designed for precision testing of SMD components. With its compact design and smart features, it offers reliable and efficient diagnostics for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike. This smart tweezer can accurately identify a wide range of components including resistors, capacitors, and diodes, making it ideal for use in circuit analysis and troubleshooting. The built-in LCD display provides clear readings, and in resistance mode, it displays an OL symbol when measurements are overloaded, helping users quickly identify faulty or mismatched components. Equipped with a replaceable tweezer head, the GN701 adapts easily to various testing scenarios, enhancing measurement stability and ensuring long-term usability. The gold-plated tips improve contact reliability, which is crucial for working with miniature SMD parts on densely packed boards. The device also supports light-emitting diode (LED) testing, even directly on the board, simplifying the inspection process during repairs or quality checks. It's both lightweight and portable, making it a convenient addition to any toolkit. Powered by a CR3032 button battery, the GN701 includes an auto power-off function that activates after 20 minutes of inactivity, preserving battery life and ensuring efficient energy use. Whether used in a lab, workshop, or field environment, the Aneng GN701 Smart Tweezer offers a practical solution for precise electronic component testing in a sleek, user-friendly form. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Zoyi ZT-MD1 Smart Tweezer. The Zoyi ZT-MD1 Smart Tweezer is a versatile and innovative tool designed for professionals and hobbyists working with electronic components. Engineered with convenience and precision in mind, this device integrates advanced features to enhance productivity and streamline testing tasks. One of the standout features of the ZT-MD1 is its rotatable LCD color screen, which ensures high-definition visibility from different angles, even in low-light environments. This allows users to carry out precise measurements without being hindered by lighting conditions or awkward hand positions. The Smart Tweezer is equipped with intelligent recognition capabilities, automatically identifying and measuring resistors, capacitors, and inductors. This intelligent functionality simplifies component testing and reduces the chance of user error, making it an indispensable tool for electronic diagnostics and repairs. The device also features a replaceable tweezer clip design, allowing for long-term usability and maintenance flexibility. This design not only extends the lifespan of the tool but also provides greater adaptability across various testing scenarios. Incorporating an LCR bridge SMD test clip, the ZT-MD1 ensures accurate and efficient measurements of surface mount components. Whether you're testing tiny resistors or delicate capacitors, this tool provides precise results with minimal effort. With its enhanced performance and upgraded capabilities, the Zoyi ZT-MD1 Smart Tweezer is designed to boost efficiency and support the needs of modern electronics professionals. Its smart features and ergonomic design make it a reliable companion in any electronics toolkit.